Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a coupon code on AliExpress using your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're in the browser, navigate to the AliExpress website. Once you're in the website, make sure you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can explore through the products. You can tap on any products you like. It will open up the product description page. You can check the photos of the products, you can see the descriptions, available sizes and everything. And now you need to tap on this buy now button. Again, select buy now. Here in the confirmation page, if you scroll down, you can see the promo codes option over here. And right beside that, you can see the option enter. Tap on enter. And now you'll be prompted to apply the coupon code. You can tap on this field and now type in your coupon code. Once you type in the coupon code, you can tap on apply button. And if the coupon code is valid, you should see the discount applied to your total amount. And after that, you can proceed further to the checkout process. That's it. You've successfully added a coupon code to your AliExpress order. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.